Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm going to show you how you can track text or track anything basically. So this is what I'm going to show you, how you can track some text. So let's jump right into the video. So to track text is very simple. So what you have to do is to go to Fusion page, and then here we have to select media in, shift plus space, and here write tracker, and then just move this tracker where on the thing that you want to track, on the person that you want to track, move the cursor. I'll track this guy here. Now I'll click on this button, so we'll track, but before doing that also make sure you select best match, and now click on this. If it's forward, if your video starts from here, make sure you click back or all the way until the end. You click here, and then the next step, now what you have to do is to click on operation mode. Make sure is selected match move, and then we have to go to text. So select tracker and click on text, and then here low I'm gonna move the text here, merge here. Here I'll write subscribe please, and then I'll go to transform, no shading, and here I'll add some red dot and some black shadow. I'm gonna move the text right here, and then I'll select text, and I'll add some transform here. Now click on transform, right click on center, and here go to connect track 1 unsteady position, and now it should look like this. Now we can also go to and move it maybe a bit here. Now as you can see, is following this person, the text. So I hope guys you learned something. I really hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.